The first reason. What the first reason?
Big problems.
Big task,
Converging.
big problem, big task. The task looks too big. Then what we require to do? What is the solution for that?
Divide.
Divide into small tasks so that you can do that small task very easily. Okay, so don't fight with mountain, fight with a small stone. If the task is too big, automatically your brain is always going to feel, no, don't do that. Because it's too big, man. I can't do like your brain. Once it is a very small thing, once it's a very small activity, then automatically everyone is willing to do that. Okay, what I will do is, what usually I'm going to do is, my kids are there at lunch time or somewhere. Arey, can you please come, Ra? I want just 2 minutes. Open any book, open any para. Can you write on this paper, Ra? Like I'm going to use? Baba, they're always calling me as a Baba. Baba, is it only one para right? Arey, only one paragraph, just a matter of 2 minutes only. I'm asking just only 2 minutes. Write very neatly and read it and explain to me. You can choose any book, maybe English or Telugu or otherwise Hindi, any language book, no problem for me. Like only 2 minutes only, right? Then automatically that person is going to start writing. Then I showed some mistakes. Then I showed, what is the meaning of this? Then automatically that 2 minutes will become 20 minutes automatically. Next, almost those they're going to complete. Meanwhile, my missus is going to come and she is going to sit with them for the next 2 hours. For the next 2 hours, my missus is going to sit with them for the next 2 hours. Silva khatam. But if I use the word, Arey, 2 hours, can you read? Bring the book and read 2 hours. Then they are not that much willing to do that. Small thing only, right? Then automatically everyone is willing to do. Your brain is always want to do that because it's a small activity, right? That's why. So if the task is too big, which is the reason for your procrastination most of the times, divide the task into smallest actions, do smallest action. Then once you are doing 2 or 3 small actions, you will get momentum. You will get full motivation, momentum. Once you are getting momentum, automatically the remaining things with speed you are going to complete.